Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. It's very important to do all you can to keep your Mac secure, and today we're going to look at a simple yet effective utility application that will help you do exactly that. Now, Pareto Security is a menu bar application that carries out a number of checks on potential security vulnerabilities on your Mac and shows you how to remedy them. Okay, I'm here on the Pareto Security website, and we can see it follows the 80-20 principle of business closely in that it looks at the 20% of Mac tasks that account for 80% of Mac security problems. Now, that's also known as the Pareto Principle, and not just a happy coincidence. Now, if I go across to the checks page, here is a list of all the checks that Pareto Security will perform, and we're going to run through these one at a time. Although the checks themselves happen in the background, you don't need to invoke any of them. Now, how much does Pareto Security cost? Well, let's click on pricing, and you can buy a personal or a number of Teams licenses. The Teams license are split into two categories. We've got Team and Enterprise, and a summary of the differences between these plans is here. You can have a free trial, and you can adjust the number of devices here, which of course will adjust the pricing. Across to Personal now, which will be what most of you are going to look at, I'm sure. And once more, we have two options. You can buy a permanent personal license, which is for unlimited personal devices. That costs £13, or it's included with the setup subscription if you have one. I, of course, do. So I'm just going to close this Safari window where I have setup waiting behind there, and I'm going to click on it. We've got a usual brief summary of the application, and I'm going to click Open to run it for the first time. We've got a welcome message, and I can elect to automatically start Pareto Security when the system starts up, which I will. And next, I need to allow read access to the system. And that's a good point to note. This is read access. When we click on items in Pareto Security, it won't automatically change the settings. It's just going to take you to a web page that shows you how to change them. So I'm going to click Authorize here, then click OK. And Pareto is running, although you don't know that because I'm using Bartender, which hides all of my menu bar icons. So I'm just going to come up here and right click, and I'll just work through and put the menu bar icon where you can see it. There we are. Right, let's close that. And the setup window. And the window that we had before is waiting behind. I'll click Continue. If you sign up to the newsletter, you can get a free license to give to someone. You can do this in the app as well, so don't feel that you have to do that stage here. I'll click Continue. And Pareto Security is now running its first check. Doesn't take too long, that's done now. I'll click Continue.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.